Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
It all started when I decided I wanted to film a cool snowstorm drive through the forest video. Everything was going well, the snow kept getting deeper, but the drive was still manageable. And that's when it happened. I decided to turn around and got stuck in deep snow. There was no self-service, so I got a little scared for a second, but I was well equipped for hiking in snow conditions and I wasn't too far from the main road, so I didn't worry too much. Luckily my car has 4-wheel drive and I had chains, snow socks and a shovel in my trunk, so I had plenty of options. I locked the differential, tried going forwards and backwards in every direction, and after about 20 minutes of repeatedly getting stuck, I finally managed to crawl out.